Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Ever need to browse the web without saving your history to your computer? Maybe you're shopping for a gift, using a public PC, or just want a little more privacy. That's exactly what Incognito Mode is for. In this video, I'll show you how to open an incognito window and, just as importantly, what it actually does and doesn't do. Let's get started. First, to open a new incognito window, click on the three-dot menu in the top right corner of Chrome. In the menu that appears, select New Incognito Window. Alternatively, you can use the lightning-fast keyboard shortcut, Ctrl+Shift+N. A new, dark-themed window will open. You'll see a little icon of a detective hat and glasses right next to the address bar. This confirms you're in incognito mode. Now, let's talk about what this means. While you browse in this window, Chrome won't save your browsing history, cookies, site data, or information you enter in forms. Any files you download or bookmarks you create will be kept on your computer. And here's the most important thing to remember. Incognito mode provides local privacy on your device. It does not make you anonymous online. Your internet service provider, your school or workplace, and the websites you visit themselves can still see your activity. It won't hide your IP address. So, it's perfect for keeping your browsing off your own personal history, but it's not a tool for complete anonymity. Finally, to close incognito mode, you can just close the window like any other. It's that simple. Pro tip, on mobile, the process is almost identical. Tap the three-dot menu and look for New Incognito tab. If this guide helped you understand how to use this handy feature, we'd really appreciate a like on this video. Don't forget to subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more straightforward tech tips. Thanks for watching.